morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places and you must have all been studying very properly and taking care of your health in a very proper manner. So today we'll be studying a very beautiful poem about our mother, that is my mother. As we all know, mothers basically they are the greatest gift of God to every one of us, and we are very lucky that we have mothers our side by our side helping in each other in every task, you can say. So our mothers are basically the angels of God that has been sent by God specially to take care of their offsprings and children. So let's just begin with this poem, that is my mother. So the title of our poem is My Mother, right? And in this poem, the poet shows great affection to her mother, and we'll be reading and enjoying this poem. जो पोएट है वो अपनी मदर की तरफ बहुत ही ज्यादा क्या है, लगाव, प्यार दिखा रहा है, right? See, who sat and watched my infant head? Who is what is our mother? who is just sitting and just watching my infant head means जब मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा था, बच्चा था, उस टाइम पे मेरी मॉम मेरे को हर वक्त ऑब्जर्व करती थी, राइट? व्हेन स्लीपिंग ऑन माय क्रेडल बेड, और जब मैं अपने क्रेडल बेड पे सोया करता था तभी भी शी यूज टू ऑब्जर्व मी, वो मुझे देखा करती थी, मेरा ध्यान रखा करती थी. एंड टीयर्स ऑफ स्वीट अफेक्शन शेड, और कभी कभी वो प्यार के आंसू भी उनकी आंखों में आया करते थे. एंड माई मदर, राइट, who dressed up my doll in clothes so gay, वो मेरी डॉल को इतनी खुशी से बहुत अच्छे से ड्रेस करती हैं. एंड फॉन्डली टॉट मी हाउ टू प्ले, और बहुत ही खुशी से चाह से मुझे सिखाती हैं कि कैसे खेलना है. एंड माइंडेड ऑल आई हैड टू से, और जो भी मैं बोलता हूँ उसका कभी भी बुरा नहीं मानती हैं. Who is she? She is my mom, right? My mother. Who ran to help me when I fell, और जब मैं गिर जाता हूँ तो मुझे ऊपर उठाने के लिए कौन मदद करती है? मेरी मदर. एंड वुड सम प्रिटी स्टोरी टेल, और मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी अच्छी स्टोरीज भी बताती हैं. और किस द प्लेसेस टू मेक इट वेल, और मेरे को ठीक करने के लिए जब कभी भी मुझे चोट लग जाती है तो वहाँ पे वो मेरे को किस करती हैं, सो दैट शी, वो चीज़ें जो हैं ठीक हो जाएं. हु इज़ शी इज़ माई मदर, राइट? एंड कैन आई एवर सीज टू बी, क्या मैं उनके जैसी कभी बन पाऊंगी? अफेक्शनेट एंड काइंड टू दी, एंड शी इज़ वेरी काइंड एंड शी इज़ वेरी लविंग, और वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफेक्शनेट है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अफेक्शनेट? इज बेसिकली एक से प्यार होना, राइट? किसी से लगाव होना. एंड हु वॉज सो काइंड टू मी, जो हमेशा मेरे से बहुत ही ज़्यादा काइंड रहती है. एंड हु इज शी इज़ माई मदर. एंड दिस ब्यूटिफुल पोएम has been written by Anne Taylor, right? Moving on to the word basket, the very first word is tears of sweet affection, means tears shed out of love and happiness, that is खुशी के आंसू, right? Next is fondly, means बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशी से. lovingly, pretty means very beautiful, very nice. and seize means रोकना, that is to stop. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing the oral exercises where we'll be learning how to pronounce each word correctly. Very first word is watch. Moving on to the next is infant, then it's cradle, and then it's affection, right? The next one is dressed, and then next is pretty, then it's sees, and then affection, right? Moving on to the take the correct answer. The first one is who sat and watched the infant head? Obviously my mother, right? Mother dressed my doll, वो मेरी डॉल को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से ड्रेस करती हैं. Mother helped me and mother helped me when I dash, when I fell, जब मैं गिर जाता हूँ. Mother is very dash to me, she is very kind to me, right? Moving on to the complete the lines of the poem. And who ran and fell? कौन जब मैं गिर जाता हूँ? Who ran to help me? When I fell, जब मैं गिर जाता हूँ. And would dash tell, and would tell some कुछ pretty stories मुझे बताती हैं. And would some, ठीक है. और kiss me when so that it can get well, right? And kiss the places to make it well. And who is she? She is my mother, right? Moving on to the true and false. Mother taught the child how to play. Of course, it's true. Mother would never listen to anything to the child said. This is false. She always listened. Mother kissed the child's doll when she get hurt. Of course, it's true. Mother would tell the child the stories. Of course, उन्हें stories भी सुनाती हैं. And the child can never be unkind to her mother. क्या बच्चे अपनी मॉम से कभी भी unkind नहीं हो सकते हैं? I think this is true. Yes, we can never be unkind to our mom. If we'll write false over here, then it will be meaning we can be unkind. And mother does not love her child. This is absolutely false, right? Moving on to the answer the following questions. Please do all these question answers respectively in your notebooks by your own, right? And I hope you all understood this poem. This poem was beautifully described that how a mother takes care of the child whenever he fell ill, whenever he falls. At every step of the life, mother is the basically she's the stepping stone of our life, and she is the one who takes care of us in every situation. So please do take care of your mothers, love your moms, and of course do at some intervals of time, please do small gestures for your mother so that your mother can also feel very happy that she also feels special at every moment, that she also have beautiful children, she is also blessed by their beautiful children. So let's just end with this poem, and please stay blessed and please keep studying and keep smiling. Thank you.